Hello my friends, welcome to another episode. Look here what I have in my hand. It's Matchbox brother. From far you can see very good quality. Price also very quality. 40 ringgit. Okay, tire is not rubber, it's plastic. But the body, the metal, you can see here. Oh my goodness. Solid. Okay. So this is, I don't know what work you would do with it. So this is transporter truck, really awesome. This one, oh my god, look at the front part is like a transformer. Hey, don't say my name. Okay, behind is like whatever truck. Okay, what else here? Lori apa ada lagi kat sini? Jenis-jenis tu je ke? Right. This time only. It's pretty cool from Matchbox. The price is also pretty awesome. Always nothing much. So do click like and subscribe. Bye.